friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the acceptance meaning and essentials of the valid acceptance. So the acceptance has been defined in section 2b, section 2 subsection b of the Indian Contract Act 1872. So what is acceptance? In general sense, acceptance is an assent or consent given to the offer. Means saying his willingness to the offer. If A made offer to B, then B if accepts the A's offer, then he has to say that yes, I am accepted with your offer. He saying his willingness is called as the acceptance. So whenever the offer and the acceptance becomes one, then it gives rise to promise or an agreement. Means the offer whenever accepted by the acceptor or the offeree, then it becomes an agreement. So the acceptor should say his willingness to offerer, means he has to say that yes, I am okay with your offer. So then only it becomes the accepted offer and gives rise to an agreement. Mental acceptance is no acceptance. Means if A offered to B to sell his house and B also accepted with his offer, but he is not saying his acceptance. He is just thinking in his mind that yes, I am okay with the A's offer. So this is not an offer. He is not saying it. Hence it becomes a not an it does not become an acceptance, because he is mentally keeping inside him. He is not explaining through words. Acceptance may also be implied with his actions. Also he can say, he can express his willingness to buy such house, but he is not even expressing, or he is not even implied by implied way is not saying his acceptance. Then that mental acceptance will not be considered. So hence the acceptance must be in express or the implied. Acceptance may be in the different ways. Means he can say in the different ways his acceptance, his willingness. So these are the conditions of the, or these are the ways to express his willingness and show his acceptance for such offer. And next one, what are the essentials to become a valid acceptance? So acceptance must be absolute and unconditional. Unconditional means whenever A is saying that he want to see your example, counter offer cannot be acceptance. For that example I have to taken here, x to y car for 25,000. Means x want to sell his car to y for 25,000, but y in return says that I want to purchase your car for 75,000. Means or he can say that I want to purchase your car for 10,000. Means he is not accepting for the 25,000. Instead of that he is saying that I want to purchase for 75,000, or I want to purchase for 10,000. He is written offering, not accepting. He is giving the counter offer to the offer. Means a counter offer cannot be considered as acceptance. Hence the acceptance, he is saying with the condition that I want to purchase your car for 75,000 or the 10,000. Here condition is mentioning, means he is selling he is saying that with the conditions. Hence what are the conditions here? 75,000, 10,000 or any other conditions. So if the acceptance with such conditions, or if it is not absolute, means it is not defined, or it is not clearly mentioned acceptance, then it will become a void, and the counter offer will not be considered as acceptance to the original offer. Hence the acceptance must be unconditional and absolute, then only it becomes a valid acceptance. Okay, next one is acceptance must be communicated to the offerer. Means whenever if here A want to sell his car to Y, X want to sell his car to Y, then Y has to say his acceptance to the X only, because X only making the offer, right? That's why he has to say his acceptance to the X only. Means Y has to say his acceptance to the X, means because X is making the offer to the Y. Hence Y has to say his acceptance to the X. He cannot make to the another party, say his acceptance to the another party instead of X. So the acceptance must be communicated to the offerer only, or he must do something, some acts like we want to he has to express, he can also express impliedly. Means by doing some acts, uh, some acts here, means making some acts to buy such a car. Okay, like that. And acceptance must be made within the reasonable time. Means if we A want to, X want to sell, suppose here we take another example. X is a oil or milk supplier, and he want to sell his milk to Y. So and v has and y, right, x is a milk supplier and he want to sell his milk to y. Then milk has to, then y has to express his acceptance to the x within the 1 day. Means the expiry of the milk may be 1 day. Means the offer will be valid up to 1 day only. Within that 1 day only he has to say his acceptance, otherwise the acceptance will not be valid, because the material product or the milk here becomes like not eatable. It becomes the it become it gets spoiled after the expiry date. Hence the offerer cannot sell such milk to the y. That's why if the acceptance is not given in the reasonable time, then it cannot become a valid acceptance. Okay. And next one here is see, acceptance can be made at any time till the offer is alive. Means the acceptance must be given within the offer is alive time. Okay. And next one is, it must be according to the mode prescribed. Means if we x offer to sell his car to y, and they made an agreement, that in the agreement they made that they want to communicate within the telegram method only. Means they have to say, to express his offer and to express his acceptance, they has to use a telegram as a mode of communication. So the acceptance must be given in such mode only, such telegram mode only, because if particular mode not told, then he can give in any reasonable mode. But if he particularly mentions his mode, that telegram mode, then he has to give his acceptance in the telegram mode only. So then only it becomes a valid acceptance. The acceptance must be aware of the proposal. Means here the case law Lalman Shukla versus Gauri Dutt. In this case law, a is a king. He is a king, and he misses his nephew, and he orders his servants that to bring back the nephew. And one of the servant went to bring back the missing nephew of the king. But after servant goes to find the missing nephew, the king announces that whoever bought my missing nephew, I will give him some amount of the price. But the servant did not listen to such a reward, and went to bring back that missing nephew, and he bring back that missing nephew to the king. And after coming, he knows that the king has announced the reward, and he asks the servant asks the king that I bought your nephew back, and I want the reward. Then the king ignores, because here the acceptor must have the knowledge of the reward. Means he should not ignore the offer. The what is the offer here? King offered a reward, but he is not listened, and he not given his acceptance. Hence he cannot get the reward. Okay. Next one is, acceptance must be given before the offer lapse, like in the reasonable time only. Before the offer gets lapse here means before the offer cancels, or before the offer ends. Before the offer ends, the acceptance must be given. Okay. Before it comes to an end, the offer must be given. And next one is, acceptance must be given by the same person to whom the offer is made. Yeah, if A want to sell his car to Y, then Y has to give his acceptance to the X only. Means to whom the offer is made, that person only say his acceptance. Okay, the acceptance has been given by the person to whom the offer is made. If not, then that will not become a valid acceptance, because the offerer has to know the acceptance of the offeree. So for that purpose only he has to make his acceptance. And next one is, acceptance cannot be implied from the silence. Means if like I told before, the mental acceptance is no acceptance. Means if he keeps in his mind, then he cannot, if he does not express his willingness to any offer, then such acceptance will not be considered, because silence will not become an answer to a question. That's why silence acceptance will also be not become a acceptance to the offer. No contract can be formed if the offeree remains silent and does nothing to show his acceptance. This mental acceptance is no acceptance at all. So these are the essential elements of the acceptance. So friends, if you like my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.